Hi, it's Ashleigh from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and today we're going to be starting off our Ari Attempts episode a little bit differently. In the most recent months, I've seen a lot of DIY cookie and cupcake kits, and most recently, I saw a DIY cake kit, which I just thought was absolutely brilliant. These would be great to sell at your shop, or you could just do it at home yourself like I am. We have more than enough cake and dessert at home, so we are just going to decorate a fake cake today. Cover that styrofoam block with some shortening and make sure that you lay down some cornstarch whenever you are rolling out fondant. If you're looking for a more detailed tutorial on how to cover cakes with fondant, then go ahead and click that upper right-hand corner.
Yay, it's my turn. I'm rolling out the fondant. I'm cutting out the letters to spell Dad. The hearts to love that. I'll do one star, and I'll do this blue circle, and I think that's it. I'm cutting out the rest of the shapes. Yeah. So beautiful. One star. To attach your fondant, use a little bit of water. Let's use an edible pen. I'll try to draw my name on the cake. A-R-I-A. Aria. The painting is my favorite part. Time to steam our cake. That makes it easier for Mommy to put the ribbon on. A little bit of gold flake. The cake looks super beautiful.
If you're going to be making your own DIY cake kit for family, friends, or maybe even your own bakery business, then I would suggest that you include a fondant-covered cake, some edible pens. I know that we used edible paints, but it's probably a lot easier to transport and box if you use edible pens. And I also think a piping bag full of icing would be great. I know we didn't use that either, but I think that'd be a really nice little addition to this. And any other extra add-ons. I did some gold flake, which I know is a little bit pricey, so maybe some sprinkles would do well in this box as well. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of this sweetie fam. Right now, I'm uploading daily, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload.
Ari Attempts every Monday.
Bye!
Bye!